Another coffee guys ha. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng pour over.
Mayong pagabot sa Davao, mayong buntag.
Good morning Davao! Moist in the inside, fresh. Dapat this trip natin sa Davao, maka at least 10 relo tayo.
Hey guys, another watch, another day. Dito tayo ngayon sa bahay niya.
Hi guys, what's up? Another watch, another day tayo ngayon.
Pa ready?
Hindi ka pa ready.
So guys, nakita niyo kung gaano kasinop si Hyde, diba? Kailan naalis, saka mag-empake. Ganyan si Hyde.
Ngayon pa na ako mag-i-impake.
Introduce kita kung gaano kakanit sa buhay.
Bog!
Beto lang si Hyde. Yabang pa yan. Alis na tayo in 15 minutes. Pak!
Tara na, late na tayo. So what's up guys? Another watch, another day. Ito talaga yung intro ko eh. Dito talaga eh. Kasama natin, si Makoy. And in this video, pupunta tayo sa Team Gentry Goes to Davao. Siyempre, kasama natin. Ang iba, ang pambansang rehas. Si Makoy, siyempre. Kasama rin natin si Padre 69. Tsaka si Germany. Kasama natin mga tropa. Bagong zupet. Nagtabas ako bago pumunta ng Davao eh. Dami rin mangyayari doon. Ayun o, Patrick 69. Alam mo ano nickname niya ngayon?
Ano?
Tag Price. Shout out, Red Manila. Wrist check. 1680 pare oh, vintage. Ayun, anong suot mo? Ano ba Pepsi ka?
Wala tayong baon ng Pepsi.
Congo, siyempre.
Ayun o.
Ikaw, anong relo mo? Wala.
Kakasanda ko lang. May cash naman ako.
Diba? Breakfast, lutuan. Yun. Sarap. Boarding na, boarding. Good morning, good morning.
Palubos namin kayong tinatanggap sa ating pass dito sa Philippine Airlines.
Alright, what's up guys? Touchdown! Hindi tayo sa lungsod ng Davao. Shoutout pala kay Swiss Perpetual ha. Sponsored nila ang natin, service natin ngayon. Bait talaga yun, sina Klein, sina RC. Si Angel lang yung masungit dun eh. Joke lang Angel.
Mayong pagabot sa Davao, mayong buntag.
Kita mo yun? Abangan daw talaga tayo eh. Sana. Init. Ang pagkainit dire. Kami na mag-drive dito. Thank you. Swiss Perpetual, salamat ha. Alright guys, hello Davao, time check ha, 10 a.m. tayo ha, in the morning pare. We're gonna get our daily dose of coffee before we check in. Tara, pasok tayo. Ano mga beans na meron kayo, pang pour over?
We have, sir, Maltapo, sir, Yirga, and then Excelso, sir.
Pour over na lang lahat tayo. Tikman natin ang specialty coffee ng Davao. Tara, kain tayo. May bangus na egg rice. Gusto mo corned beef? Oh, 3 bangus, 3 corned beef, isang tambay. Pwede akong gumawa ng isa boss?
Pwede, sir, pwede.
O, ganito guys ha, since dito tayo sa Davao, mga tropa natin, medyo inaantok eh. Ako mismo titimplan ng kape sa nila. Gagawin ko sila ng napakasarap na brewed coffee. Another watch, another coffee guys ha. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng pour over. Our Mount Apo na single origin. Kumuha muna tayo ng water, set natin for 92 degrees. Let's use 18 to 20 grams of coffee. So, masyadong fine kasi for espresso yun. Ngayon, for pour overs is something coarse. Manual grind tayo. Check natin, test tayo ng beans. Let's see how coarse. Yeah, pwede. Ay, ito, healthy. So here is the beans na. This is what we call the V60 Kalita. So what we're going to do is basically wash lang yung filter muna. Pour in our beans. This is to release all the carbon dioxides blooming or the pre-infusion. So we'll wait lang. That's around 30 seconds. Let it escape lang yung carbon dioxide kasi niro-roast yung mga beans. So there's trapped carbon dioxide sa mga beans. So there you go. 30 seconds now. We continue our brewing. So medyo counterclockwise or clockwise, ikaw bahala. Pero dapat evenly yung distribution. So then we let it settle and then that's it. That's your brewed coffee na. Kung meron kayong available nung yung grinder nyo na brand new, mag-uwi lang ako ng souvenir galing sa inyo. So that's it guys. So, parang tsaa lang siya, di ba?
Parang tayo.
Enjoy your coffee. Ano yan, boss? Ayun parang ginamit. Souvenir lang. Boss, thank you ah. Maraming salamat ah. Bayara ko na lang doon. So first, gising na tayo, di ba? Nakapagkape na tayo. Ito ang challenge natin ngayon. Dapat, this trip natin sa Davao, maka at least 10 relo tayo. Biruin nyo ha, air freight pa lang natin. 6 tayo guys. Pito pala.
Ano na, 79.
79K?
Nalagay mo na agad.
79K. 79K, sabi mo ng 80K. Flight pa lang natin. Yung hotel, 4 na room, 33K. So we're at 100K na expenses natin.
Puta, hindi pa tayo nakakabenta.
Kape pa tayo.
Sana pala di na ako sumama. Mahal.
Kaya, babawin natin yan. Guys, mission natin ngayon, 10 watches at least dapat mabenta natin.
Ano ba?
Kaya?
Mabenta?
Kaya? Gentry on 3, Gentry on 3. Alright guys, we're here at Azuela Cove. Saan natin si Swiss Perpetual. Nandito lang daw sila eh.
Kaka-open lang nila, Bo.
Open lang ba?
Oo, August 8 sila nagbukas.
Balik na lang tayo next time. up? What's up?
Bilang open.
Kamusta? Good. Long time, ha? Broski. Uy, grabe naman yung mga relo na yan.
What do you guys think about the place? Kami lang yung open for now. Actually, medyo bago pa siya. But if you look at the area naman, it's kind of nice.
Yeah.
They did a really good job. So yeah.
We brought our own watches for you to check if you need anything. Something that you guys really want. Cartier. Check it out. What do you think? All the way from Manila, pare.
Grabe talaga.
Stock price. Let's stock price. How much?
Service na to. Is really good.
Yeah. Let's just factor in shilling. With papers.
May papers na to. This comes with a box as well. Box
Yes.
and papers na to. 65 on this?
Too much.
How much?
Let's do 190.
Hindi namin to mabibenta unless lagay namin high pawn.
Wait lang. Arian, we've been friends for the longest time, right?
you're
But you
recommending.
still don't have a done deal jacket, do you?
Wala pa. Do I have one today?
Let's do 185.
I can do 185,
Come
man.
on.
Could you meet me halfway at 175?
180.
180, 178.
Oh, come on.
I hope it has two links.
Pare, I have a Hulk.
Okay, how much is your help?
No papers though. Watch only with box and gentry card. I'm offering it for only 820.
820 for a haul. Let me ask my partner. There he is. Hey, buddy. Hey, dude.
Hulk watch only 800.
God damn it. 810. Oh, 810.
There you go.
Done.
There you go.
And I'll give that 178. Sige. 178 and 810. Done deal. Maraming salamat, brother.
Thanks again for dropping by, ah.
Thank you so much, brother.
Wait, jacket ko! Sabay na sa box?
Yes,
Sabay na sa
sabay.
box? Okay,
Your
okay.
done deal will be
No problem,
delivered.
no problem.
Sold 2 watches. Profited around 85,000. Alright, guys. Pahinga muna tayo saglit. Swimming ba? Kain? Kahit ano. Lahat. Okay guys, dito tayo sa Dusit Tani kasi andito na isa nating client, okay? So second deal natin for today, samahan nyo ako. Meet natin si client, done deal na natin siya. How are you? How's everything? Welcome to Davao po ah. So you ordered for yung 39mm, di ba? Ayan. It's a 39mm Explorer reference 214270. Tinatawag natin na short hands and white gold pa yung 369 indices niya.
Binili ko to, it's not for me. Para sa father ko.
Bakit? What's the occasion?
This November is upcoming 70th birthday niya.
So you, sir, were able to give a down payment of 100,000. So nakapag-agree na ba kayo ng price?
Actually, wala pa kasi ikaw nga daw yung
Aray
sorry.
ko. So sige, I appreciate. This, sir, comes complete with papers. Pagbigyan mo lang ako, boss. So for this one, let's do it for 40.
May bababa pa ba?
Busan layo ng Davao, aray ko.
Gift pala ko. From
Davao. May bala.
430. Kaya po.
Malit talaga. I think, sir, 440, napakagaling.
435.
438. Done. Thank you so much, boss. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Dandil hoodie mo, andito, boss. Boss, maraming salamat. Done deal. Thank you so much ulit. Maraming salamat. And congratulations on your father. Regards na lang, boss, sa papa mo. Okay, guys, get dressed. We'll leave in 5 hours. Good evening, guys. Time check. It's 8 p.m. Before we end the day, before tayo mag-dinner, meet muna ulit tayo ng pera. Kung natataka kayo, asan si Makoy? Nag-flatline kanina, hindi mo na namin sinama. So si ma'am nakabili na sa atin before ng watch. This is 31mm with full diamond bezel. 68286 is the reference. S serial. So this is around 1994-95. We are selling that for 1,049,000.
950.
Huwag naman, ma'am. Grabe naman. Ano na lang, ma'am? 1,030,000.
Alas, magkano lang discount?
Ma'am, 20 na yun.
950.
Hindi kaya, ma'am.
Magkano?
Baka matroma kami sa Davao, di na kami bumalik. Ma'am, 1,030,000. O, 25. Sige, o, ang pogi ko, 25. Sige na lang. Kaya.
Pagbago na.
1 million.
Thank you so much.
Tapos syempre, may ano pa.
Siyempre, ma'am, hindi mo mawala yung hoodie mo. Ma'am, this is 975. Yung 50K na down nyo na po. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Done. Sabi. Bilis no? Si Makoy kawawa, nasa taas. Puntahan natin, gisingin natin tayo. Hindi ko ato.
Ang taray.
Makoy, tara na. Oo. Ihahawak sa akin. Tara! Kakain tayo.
Good morning! Good morning, Davao!
Tara guys, let's go to eat our dinner. Ito tayo kay Marina guys. The best seafood place in Davao City. Yun guys, sa dinner dito sa Maratuna. Marina. Walang ilaw eh. Ako, amoy tuna. Yun, bagay-bay. Gusto ko yung kinilaw. Yan, dapat may kinilaw.
O, tuna kinilaw, dalawa.
Tapos, ikaw na, bahala sa iba. Kinilaw. Sarap. Fresh. Tara, tikman natin lahat. First. Tuna belly. Moist in the inside, fresh, nice and easy. Just gentle. Dig in. Is it moist? Fresh. Nicely done. Flavor. It's there. Oh, grabe, busog. Oh, magkano bill natin? Tingin nyo. Mahal, grabe. 9,500. Oh, bayaran mo na, German.
Thank you so much, sir.
Pwede ka uwi, no? Thank you po. Alright, so we're back at the hotel, guys. Dinner done. Selling of watches done, di ba? Marami pa tayong gagawin bukas. Marami pa tayong mag-abot pa tayo ng kota. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, guys! Time check, it's 9 a.m. and we are off to a good start, guys. Kasi may pupunta agad na client, guys. Try to upsell all the watches that we can. Breakfast, oh. Good morning nga naman talaga, oh. Tara. First fiber, pare. Okay guys, so andito na yung kliyente natin. Puntahan na natin guys. Meron lang tayong isang handover. So hi ma'am, so ito yung order niyo. Fully paid nyo naman na. So I'll just hand over yung dalawang jacket nyo of course. Kasi dalawa yung kinuha nyo. So this is already fully paid. Submariner date. Boss, congratulations. Thank you. And then it has all the papers. Complete box and paper. So 31mm ma'am. Napakaganda. Date trust yan. Rose gold, two-tone. Salmon anniversary dial. Napakaganda. Deal boss. Thank you so much ha. Ma'am. Thank you. Ang bilis. Easiest done deal namin. Kausap na ni Kat doon sa Manila. And then nag-deposit na sila. Tapos nagulat kami, pinuli pay na nila. So wala nang tawaran na nangyari. Wait lang.
Abo na ba?
Naka-anim na tayo. May apat pa.
Oh,
May apat pa.
cellphone na.
May pan-lunch na. Tara.
Meron na.
Anong gusto nyo kainin? Steak? Steak. Steak? Tara, steak tayo. 18,000 eh. Subo lang kasi tayo ng malaki. Sumasos na talong agad eh. I'm really squeezing it. Oh, ngayon, magkano expenses natin? Equals 154.8. Rico.